Why do hypermobile joints crack more often? Joints tend to crack because joint capsules and ligaments are looser, so the bones within the joints move around more freely, causing the cracking sounds. It can be from cartilage wear and minor instabilities that cause friction, producing cracking or popping sound during movement. There is more increased range of motion, and the joints are more likely to move past the point where a typical person's joint would stabilize. So when the joints move back in place or shift their position, it can create that distinctive cracking or popping noise.